Hi, I'm Gary Trott and welcome to our series of how-to videos on SmartCast technology, the most intuitively simple, intelligent lighting product available today. In this segment, we're going to talk about the awesome color-changing capability of SmartCast. Essentially, what you're able to do with the configuration tool, or CT, is change the color temperature of the space. Really simple to do. All you do is you go to Device Settings and then Color Temperature. And you want to modify a group or modify all. In this case, we want to do all of them, so we hit Modify All. And this says entering select mode, and you can see all the lights come to full intensity for that. Now it takes a second for the CT to connect, and now it asks you to select the group to preview color. And to do that, we use the green LED on the end of the CT, and we're actually going to point it at the small black sensor next to the white dome on the light. And what's going to happen is that when it gets selected, that light is going to dim down, indicating that it's been chosen. And that's what you see there. So now the group has been selected, we hit OK, and now we started out at 5000 K for the color temperature. But now watch what happens. I'm going to go step down to 4500, to 4000, to 3500. Now you can see the amazing changes happening within the space. 3000. And now we're going to go all the way back up to 5,000. What a huge contrast and change. So you can imagine all the possibilities of how that can be used in a positive way, just tuning the color to the space and preferences of what you have. Another amazing SmartCast technology. You can learn about a lot more of those by clicking the link of the other how-to videos that we have about SmartCast technology. Thank you.